Hi everybody, Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. Today is day 25 of the Masquerade Advent Calendar, and I'm dead excited to see what colour this is. As you know, yesterday, Christmas Eve, was this beautiful green, really pretty green. So let's see what we've got for 25. I want to first thank Reggie for a brilliant advent. Really brilliant. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Oh wow. Oh wow. Look at that, guys. Look at that. There's purples and teals and greens and blues. That is awesome. Absolutely awesome. So yeah, so that's the advent for this year, all done and dusted. I've really enjoyed doing this advent videos every day, and I want to thank each and every one of you who've left a thumbs up, who've left a comment, who's followed me through this whole journey of opening my advent calendar. It's been a pleasure, and do check out Reggie's Etsy shop. I believe she has got a yarn club that starts, and it's limited places, so I'm going to have to check that out for myself today. Well, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, we'll see. But thank you all so very much, and I will put the link to Reggie's Etsy shop below and her YouTube channel. If you don't know who Reggie is, J Hook Crochet, then go and check her out. She's very informative. She does Yarniversity every Sunday. Well, she will be in the new year. She's having a break at the moment, like most of us are, and I am off now the internet until Thursday. I'm taking a break to be with Rick after while he's recovering from his operation, and we're going to be visiting family and friends, and just going to generally recharge my batteries, because as you know, I've got a very busy 2022. So thank you each and every one of you, to all my subscribers, all my beautiful members. I wish you all a Merry Christmas. If you're on your own, extra special wishes and gentle squishy hugs to you all. Thank you. Bye bye for now.